या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। Shakti, the power to create, the power to sustain, the power to nurture the future, embodiment of beauty and love, epitome of a giver and forgiver. The energies lie within you. The world emanates from you. The Mumbai Shakha of Abhay, Association of Bharatanatyam Artists of India present Shakti, the primordial energy. As Prakriti, she is the life force. As Shakti, she is the life breath. And as Devi Ma, she is the universal mother, the life giver. This presentation is a eulogy through bhakti to the female aspect of the cosmic form. The energy of Bharatanatyam transcends the limitations of class, language and music and comes out as a strong medium of communication, harnessing within itself the four modes of Abhinaya: Angika, Vachika, Aharya and Sattvika. The Manasika Shakti, or the mental energy with which all the teachers have come together, speaks eloquently of the Shakti of the art. This presentation takes the viewer through a parikrama of Bharat, describing the different forms of Parashakti through their own regional language. The production begins with a Vandana to Mumbai Mahalakshmi by the teachers. Thereafter, every group presents their chosen kshetra. We conclude with the Tilana, dedicated to Omkara Swarupini, choreographed and performed by the senior students representing the next generation of the participating gurus, bringing out the purpose of Abhay, to keep Bharatanatyam as a living, sustaining energy for eons. पितामह मुखैसुरैः निर्मितस्त्वं महावीर्यो वज्रसारो महातनुः।
Thank you.
After paying our obeisance to Mumbai's Mahalakshmi, we now begin our parikrama from Maharashtra's Tulaja Bhavani. Dr. Sandhya Purecha, Principal of Bharata College of Fine Arts and Culture, is a senior disciple of Acharya Parvati Kumar. She, along with her disciples, presents a benediction to Bhavani with the original recording in Guruji's voice. Years of painstaking research of Acharya Parvati Kumar has brought to light the Marathi Nirupan, composed by Sarfoji Maharaj Bhosle of Tanjore, who hailed from the lineage of Maharashtra's Shivaji Raje Bhosle. All the Bhosle kings had combined the best of both Maharashtra and Choradesha. The cultural and national integration was accomplished without any difficulty. The language used in Sarfoji Raje tradition of Bharatanatyam is an old and simple variety of Marathi. Today's presentation will include Bhavani Stuti in praise of Durga sung at Maharashtra and two benedictory prayers, Jaya Jaya and Sharanu, from Sarfoji's Nirupans. Jaya Jaya is a benediction song in which the dancer seeks blessings of Devi Parvati, Kuladevi of the Bhosle family, for the success of the program. Sharanu, in this, the devotee seeks shelter of goddess Tripura Sundari for the attainment of fame. We present Sakhine Naikes Buddhivad Samnyachi Kalpit Katha in Raga Pantuvarali and Surfakta Tishra Atatala.
सर्वदेवता मिळोन पुसती देवी लागोन महादेवी तव स्वरूप पूर्ण विशद आम्हा तू करी देवी म्हणे मी शून्य निराकार निर्गुण आदि अंतरहित पूर्ण ब्रह्म सनातन मी असे प्रकृती मी पुरुष मी आनंद मी अनानंद मी विज्ञान मी अज्ञान मी ऐसे जाणा रूप माझे हे दृश्य जे चराचर मीच नटले साचार मज विणाणु मात्र
जय शुभासुरमती जय शुभमदन जय कैवल्यचरणी जय ईश्वर जननी जय 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 जय
Fine Arts will present with her students Ambaji of Gujarat. Ambaji, a town in Banaskantha district of North Gujarat, is one of the Shakti Peethas where the heart of Devi Sati fell when Shiva danced with her corpse after the Daksha Yajna. In the holy temple of Arasuri Ambaji, there is no image or statue of goddess. The holy Shri Visa Yantra is worshipped as the main deity. There is no idol or picture in the temple, but a simple cave-like gok in the inner wall, in which a gold-plated holy Shakti Shri Yantra having a convex kurma back inscribed with 51 Bijaksharas is ritually installed. The worship of this yantra is done only after tying a bandage on the eyes. Ambaji of Gujarat.
चिंता विघ्न विनाशनी कमलासने विषहत्थी हंसवाहिनी माता देहु सुमा अरज सुनी ने अमतनी हे भगवती के जो भेद दैत्य विहारणी देवियो माता करजो मैं हे जग जननी हे जगदम्बा हे जग जननी हे जगदम्बा मात भवानी शरण तुझे हे जग जननी हे जगदम्बा हे जग जननी हे जगदम्बा आद्य शक्ति
Gayatri Devi of Pushkar, Rajasthan.
The most powerful Gayatri mantra is personified as Devi Gayatri, the Veda Mata, the Mantra Mata. She is the one who preserves that which is sung, Gayanta Trayi. She endows one with immense mental, physical, and spiritual strength. According to the Padma Purana, the demon Vajranabha, who harassed Brahma's children, was destroyed by Brahmadeva with his weapon, the blue lotus flower, the impact of which scattered the lotus petals on earth, forming 3 lakes. This place, where the pushpa fell from Lord Brahma's kara, came to be known as the holy Pushkara. Choosing to perform a yajna here, Brahmadeva created hills around the Pushkar. Annoyed that his consort Saraswati was not present at the auspicious moment, Brahma requested Indradeva to find a suitable girl for him to wed to complete the yajna. Indra could only find a Gujar's daughter who was sanctified by a cow to befit the status of being Brahma's consort. Brahma infused her with the powers of the 3 Devis, Durga, Lakshmi, and Saraswati, and named her Gayatri. She is venerated as Panchamukhi, the embodiment of all prana and knowledge.
भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् मुक्ता विद्रुम हेमनीलधवल छायैर्मुखैर्यक्षणैः युक्तामिन्दुनिबद्धरत्नमुकुटां तत्त्वार्थवर्णात्मिकाम् गायत्री गायत्री वरदाभयाङ्कुशकशां शुभ्रं कपालं गदां शङ्खं चक्रं पथारविन्दयुगलां हस्तैर्वहन्तीं भजे आदिशक्ते जगन्माता भक्तानुग्रहकारिणी त्वमेव सन्ध्या गायत्री सावित्री च सरस्वती तद्दिमित्तजनुता धीता दलङ्कचकुण्डरिकृतं तद्दिमित्तजनुता धीता दलङ्कचकुण्डरिकृतं प्रातः बाला च मध्याह्ने यौवनस्था भवेत् पुनः तद्दिमित्तजनुता कृतं धिमि तज्जनु तक कृदगदुम तत् धिमि तज्जनु तक कृदगदुम वृद्धा सायं भगवती चिन्तिते मुनिभिः सह तद्धिमि तज्जनु तद्धिमि तक कृदगदुम हंसस्था दिक् तक कृदगदुम तत् दिक् तक कृदगदुम तत् दिक् तक तक कृदगदुम तक कृदगदुम दिक् तक कृदगदुम तत् दिक् तक कृदगदुम तत् दिक् तक कृदगदुम गरुड आरूढ़ा दिक् तक कृदगदुम तत् दिक् तक कृदगदुम तत् दिक् तक तक कृदगदुम तक कृदगदुम दिक् तक कृदगदुम तत् दिक् तक कृदगदुम तत् दिक् तक तक कृदगदुम तथा वृषभवाहिनी दिक् तक कृदगदुम तत् दिक् तक कृदगदुम तत् दिक् तक तक कृदगदुम तक कृदगदुम दिक् तक कृदगदुम तत् दिक् तक कृदगदुम तत् दिक् तक तक कृदगदुम ऋग्वेदायानि भूमौ दृश्यते या तपस्विभिः यजुर्वेदं पठन्ति च अन्तरिक्षे विराजते या सामरापि सर्वेषु भ्राम्यमाना या सामरापि सर्वेषु भ्राम्यमाना तथा भुवि जगत जननी मंगलकरणी गायत्री सुखदा प्रणवं सावित्री स्वधा स्वाहा पूरणकाम् अक्षर 24 परम पुनीता इनमें बसे श्रुति शास्त्र गीता पुस्तक पुष्पक मंडल माला शुभ्रवर्ण तनु नयन विशाला ध्यान धरत पुलकित हिय होई सुख उपजत दुख दुर्मति होई सरस्वती लक्ष्मी तुम काली दीप तुम्हारी ज्योति निराली महामंत्र जितने जग माही हो गायत्री समरानी जयति जयति जगदम्ब भवानी तुम सम और दयालु न जानी जयति जयति सावित्री जयति जयति सरस्वती जयति जयति गायत्री
Guru Srimati Geeta Venkateshwar of Bharatanatyam Kalalaya, Bandra, with her students, presents Jwalamukhi of Himachal Pradesh. Daksha Prajapati performs a great yajna, inviting all the gods and goddesses except his own son-in-law, Lord Shiva. Unable to bear the insult, Sati immolates herself in the yajna. Crazed with grief, Shiva danced the Ugra Tandava with the remains of Sati's body. Sati Devi's tongue is believed to have fallen in the Jwalamukhi town in Kangra district of Himachal Pradesh. The goddess is manifest as tiny flames that burn through fissures in an age-old rock. This important Shakti Sthala is visited by hundreds of pilgrims who revere her as Jwalama.
Sadeva Deva Vandalvana
आदि शक्ति के 51 शक्तिपीठों में माँ ज्वाला देवी को सबसे जागृत और शक्तिशाली माना जाता है। दक्ष के यज्ञ कुंड से भोलेनाथ जब सती को ले जा रहे थे तो उनकी जीभ इसी स्थान पर गिरी थी। माँ के अंगों में जो तेज था वो ज्वाला बनकर यहाँ प्रकट हुआ, इसलिए माँ आदि शक्ति के इस रूप को ज्वाला देवी कहते हैं।
मां ज्वाला जी में मुख्य 9 ज्योतियों के दर्शन होते हैं। नीले वर्ण वाली इस ज्योति को साक्षात महाकाली का पवित्र रूप कहा जाता है। यही पूर्ण ब्रह्म ज्योति ज्वालामुखी के नाम से विश्व विख्यात है। इससे कुछ नीचे ही भंडार भरने वाली महामाया अन्नपूर्णा की पवित्र ज्योति है। दूसरी ओर शत्रु का विनाश करने वाली चंडी माता की ज्योति है। समस्त व्याधियों का नाश करने वाली ये ज्योति हिंगलाज भवानी की है। पंचम ज्योति विंध्यवासिनी की है, जो शोक से छुटकारा देते हैं। धन धान्य देने वाली महालक्ष्मी की ज्योति कुंड में विराजमान है। विद्यादात्री सरस्वती भी कुंड में सुशोभित है। नव दुर्गा जी के रूपों में 9 ज्योतियां अपनी अलौकिक लौ से 3 लोकों को प्रकाशवान कर रही हैं।
Consortium of Takshashila Dance Academy will present with her students Kashi Vishalakshi. The tantric work Rudraya Mala, composed before 1052 CE, states 10 principal Shakti Pithas, which includes Varanasi as the fifth one. The Kular Navatantra mentions 18 Pithas and places Varanasi as the sixth one. The story goes that Lord Vishnu dismembered the body of Sati into 51 parts, each of which became a Shakti Pitha, temple to a form of the goddess. Shiva is also worshipped at each Shakti Pitha in the form of Bhairava, the male counterpart or guardian of the presiding goddess of the Pitha. Sati's right earring is believed to have fallen at Varanasi, establishing Vishalakshi as a Shakti Pitha. It is believed that at this place, Shiva converted his Rudra Swarupam to Shankara, the Grihastha.
हो गया हाहाकार विश्व में, संबित थे सभी पाकर संदेश सती का। गण गणनायक भर उठे आक्रोश में, हुआ रुद्र का प्रवेश। प्रकट हुई काली वीरभद्र यज्ञ में, प्रलय साधा तांडव नृत्य हुआ, हवन कुंड में लेकर देह सती का, भैराग में घूम रहे पृथ्वी में, संपूर्ण दुख व आक्रोश में आए विष्णु बकिया सुदर्शन चक्र से, सती के अंग का अनेक अंश दाएं कर्ण की गिरी, कर्णमणि काशी बनारस में, पांचवा शक्ति पीठ है गौरवर्ण काशी विशालाक्षी। किया जिसने परिवर्तित शिव को शंकर में, शिव को शंकर में
सन पूरित माणिक्य पात्र हे बदर विधृत कर पायसन पूरित माणिक्य पात्र हे बदर विधृत कर काय जाति रक्षण निपुण करे कांचनमय भूषण भरत दे तोय जसनादि से पित पर तुम गुरुदार जाति नुतवर त्रयादीत मोक्ष प्रद चतुर त्रिपद शोभित गुरु गसदरे अखिल भुवन साक्षी कटाक्षी गंध पूर्णे विशालाक्षी
Guru Srimati Padmini Radhakrishnan of Saundarya Natya Kalalaya with her students will present Durga Devi of Bengal. Durga Puja and Kali Puja festival epitomizes the victory of good over evil. Kali Ghat Kali Temple in West Bengal is dedicated to goddess Kali. The name Calcutta is said to have been derived from the word Kali Ghat. Kali Ghat is regarded as one of the 51 Shakti Pithas of India, where the various parts of Sati's body are said to have fallen in the course of Shiva's Rudra Tandava. Kali Ghat represents the site where the toes of the right foot of Dakshayani fell. Kali is the fierce aspect of the goddess Durga. Devi Durga attacked the demon Raktabija with a variety of weapons to destroy him. But every drop of blood that dripped from Raktabija produced a clone of the Asura. Durga then summons Kali to combat the demons. It is said that goddess Durga actually assumes the form of goddess Kali at this time. Kali destroys Raktabija by sucking the blood from his body. Durga Puja festival marks the victory of goddess Durga over the evil buffalo demon Mahishasura. Thus, Durga Puja is the most significant socio-cultural event in Bengali society. Worship of the goddess is done in decorated pandals and artistically depicted sculptures of Durga. The mantras, the integral part of Durga Puja, are accompanied by the rhythmic beatings of the dhak, the blowing of the conch, smell of the incense sticks, ululu, dhuno, and flowers.
जागो तुमी जागो जागो तुमी जागो जागो तुमी जागो চন্ডিকা শঙ্করী জাগো জাগো মা জাগো অসুর বিনাশিনী তুমি জাগো জাগো মা জাগো অসুর বিনাশিনী তুমি জাগো জাগো মা জাগো তুমি জাগো 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 মা জাগো মা জাগো মা ত্রিশূল চন্দ্রাহিধরে महाऋषभवाहिनी महेश्वरी स्वरूपेण नारायणी नमोस्तुते शंख चक्र गदा शंख गृहीत परमायुधे प्रसीद वैष्णवी रूपे नारायणी नमोस्तुते किरीटिनी महावज्रे सहस्रनयनोज्ज्वले कृष्ण प्राणहरे चैन्द्रे नारायणी नमोस्तुते सर्वस्वरूपे सर्वेशे सर्वशक्ति समन्विते भयो भयस्विनो देवी दुर्गा देवी नमोस्तुते दुर्गा देवी नमोस्तुते दुर्गा देवी नमोस्तुते দুর্গে দুর্গতি নাশিনী মহিষাসুরমর্দিনী জয় মা দুর্গে দুর্গে দুর্গতি নাশিনী মহিষাসুরমর্দিনী জয় মা দুর্গে দুর্গে দুর্গতি নাশিনী মহিষাসুরমর্দিনী জয় মা দুর্গে দেবী দুর্গে জগৎ জনন তুমি মা মঙ্গলকারিণী দেবী দুর্গে জগৎ জনন তুমি মা মঙ্গলকারিণী দেবী দুর্গে জগৎ জনন তুমি মা মঙ্গলকারিণী দুর্গে দুর্গে দুর্গতি নাশিনী মহিষাসুরমর্দিনী জয় মা দুর্গে 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 দুর্গতি নাশিনী মহিষাসুরমর্দিনী জয় মা দুর্গে দেবী দুর্গে জগৎ জনন তুমি মা মঙ্গলকারিণী দেবী দুর্গে জগৎ জনন তুমি মা মঙ্গলকারিণী দুর্গে দুর্গতি নাশিনী মহিষাসুরমর্দিনী জয় মা দুর্গে 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 দুর্গতি নাশিনী মহিষাসুরমর্দিনী জয় মা দুর্গে দুর্গে দুর্গতি নাশিনী মহিষাসুরমর্দিনী জয় মা দুর্গে দেবী দুর্গে জগৎ জনন তুমি মা মঙ্গলকারিণী দেবী দুর্গে জগৎ জনন তুমি মা মঙ্গলকারিণী দুর্গে দুর্গে দুর্গতি নাশিনী মহিষাসুরমর্দিনী জয় মা দুর্গে 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 দুর্গতি নাশিনী মহিষাসুরমর্দিনী জয় মা দুর্গে দুর্গে দুর্গতি নাশিনী মহিষাসুরমর্দিনী জয় মা দুর্গে মহিষাসুরমর্দিনী জয় মা দুর্গে মহিষাসুরমর্দিনী জয় মা দুর্গে
Guru Srimati Raji Narayan of Nritya Geetanjali presents Goddess Kanakadurga of Andhra Pradesh with her students. Sri Kanakadurga is the presiding deity of Vijayawada, the cultural center of Andhra Pradesh. Her ancient temple is on the banks of the Krishna in the town of Indrakiladri. Adi Shakti is the primordial cosmic energy representing the dynamic forces that move through the entire universe. Guru Srimati Raji Narayan has specially composed a Virittam, a short verse, as an ode to the Jagannatha, Mother Goddess, who is the combined energy of goddesses Lakshmi, Saraswati and Durga. The Virittam is followed by a Padam in Telugu, Dari Jupi, also written by Guru Raji Narayan in praise of Tripura Sundari, who is Kanakadurga of Vijayawada. It is said that Lokamata Parvati took the form of Mahakali Durga and killed all the Asuras. She then continued to remain in her terrifying form. Her devotees were too scared to visit her temple and beseeched her to regain her benign form of Jagannatha. The Padam in Sri Ranjani Ragam, set to Rupakatalam, is an expression of the devotee who pleads with the Mother Goddess to show her the right path to attain moksha. Guru Raji Narayan's senior student and Abhay member, Jai Shri Rao, will present the Padal Virittam.
ಮುತ್ತೇವರಾನ ವಿರಮನು ಹರಿಯರನು மும்மூர்த்திகளும் முத்தமிழும் இயங்க செய்திடும் முத்தாய்களான கௌரி ரமாணியும் ஒருங்கிணைந்து மாதா மகாலட்சுமியன மாதா மகாலட்சுமியன அருள் பாலிக்கும் இம்மாநகரின் பெருமையை உயர்த்திடும் இத்திருச்சபையின் மகிமையை காக்கும் ஜகன்மாதாவை துதித்திடுவோம் ஜகன்மாதாவை துதித்திடுவோம்
Srinivas Raghavan of Nritya Ranjani Fine Arts Academy presents with her disciples Akhilandeshwari of Tamil Nadu. Akhilam Anda Ishwari, Akhilandeshwari, the goddess who rules the universe, is a manifestation of Shakti, the one replete with teachings. Her Vahana, the crocodile, is symbolic of the Devi not only facing her fears but also using it as a vehicle to move forward on her path to greater growth, strength and beauty. Akhilandeshwari found the Jambu forest at Tiruvanekaval to be suitable for her penance and made a Shivalinga out of the waters of the river Kaveri, which came to be known as Apulinga. Pleased with her devotion, Lord Shiva appeared before her and taught her Shiva Jnana. Tiruvanekaval is also famous for the two Shivaganas, reborn as an elephant and a spider at the Jambukeshwara temple. In this Upadesha Sthalam, the idols of Jambukeshwara and Akhilandeshwari are installed opposite each other with Devi as a student and Jambukeshwara as the guru. It is said that Akhilandeshwari was an Ugra Devam, wearing the chakras as earrings on her ears, which contained her Ugra Kalai. Hence, the idols of Prasanna Ganapati and Murugan were installed in front of her, and she became Shanta Swarupini, showering peace and grace.
Akhilandeshwari ஈசனை குருவாய் கொண்டவளே திருவனை காவல் திருக்கோயில் மகளே ஈசனை குருவாய் கொண்டவளே திருவனை காவல் திருக்கோயில் மகளே ஆதியும் நீயே அந்தமும் நீயே ஆதியும் நீயே அந்தமும் நீயே பெண்ணின் கருவை காக்கும் ஈஸ்வரியே அகிலாண்ட கோடி பிரம்மாண்ட நாயகி உன் திருவடியே சரணம் சரணம் ஆதியும் நீயே அந்தமும் நீயே பெண்ணின் கருவை காக்கும் ஈஸ்வரியே அகிலாண்ட கோடி பிரம்மாண்ட நாயகி உன் திருவடியே சரணம் சரணம் உன் திருவடியே சரணம் சரணம் உன் திருவடியே
Guru Srimati Prema Nagasundaram of Bharatanatyam Kalalaya, Chembur, presents with her disciples Chotanikara Bhagavati of Kerala. God's own country, Kerala, is an abode for many temples, of which Chotanikara temple, located near Ernakulam, is one of the most famous temples of the Hindu mother goddess Bhagavati. The Divine Mother, known as Rajarajeshwari, Adi Parashakti, is worshipped here in 3 different forms. As Saraswati in the morning, the goddess of learning, knowledge and art. As Lakshmi at noon, the goddess of wealth and prosperity. And as Durga in the evening, as the destroyer of obstacles. People suffering from mental illnesses commonly visit the temple, as Bhagavati is thought to cure her devotees. The mantra for the Devi here is Amme Narayana, Devi Narayana, Lakshmi Narayana, Bhadre Narayana. It is a very powerful mantra addressing the universal energy, both male and female, as Amme Narayana, the source of knowledge and wisdom as Devi Narayana, the source of wealth, good health and happiness as Lakshmi Narayana, and the protector from all kinds of mental and physical diseases as Bhadre Narayana.
लक्ष्मी नारायण शक्ति प्रभाकरम् लक्षणयुक्तं मनोहरं श्रीकरम् सर्वार्थकार्यसंसिद्धं सुखावहम् चोट्यानिकर श्रीदेवी नमाम्यहम्
ചോറ്റാനിക്കരയിലെ ജഗദംബികെ ദുഃഖമാറ്റുന്ന കലിയുഗവരമംഗലേ ചോറ്റാനിക്കരയിലെ ജഗദംബികെ ദുഃഖമാറ്റുന്ന കലിയുഗവരമംഗലേ നട തുറന്ന അഭിഷേകം കഴിഞ്ഞാലടിയന്റെ ഹൃദയ ഹൃദയമം ചിരട്ടയിൽ നേദ്യം ഞാൻ കണിവയ്ക്കും ജന്മസമ്പാദ്യം ചോറ്റാനിക്കരയിലെ ജഗദംബികെ ദുഃഖമാറ്റുന്ന കലിയുഗ വരമംഗലേ കണക്കറിയാത്തൊരി അയിനിക്കാടിനെതി കാക്കശ്ശേരിയെ പോലെ പുറന്തള്ളുമോ കണക്കറിയാത്തൊരി അയിനിക്കാടിനെതി കാക്കശ്ശേരിയെ പോലെ പുറന്തള്ളുമോ ഒരു കിണ്ടി വെള്ളം വാങ്ങിക്കുടിച്ചു ഞാൻ പുനർജന്മ ഗുഹ താണ്ടിപ്പോ അപ്പോഴും അടിയനു സന്തോഷം നിനക്കതിനാലുണ്ടാ പുണ്യാകം ചോറ്റാനിക്കരയിലെ ജഗദംബികെ ദുഃഖമാറ്റുന്ന കലിയുഗ വരമംഗലേ ചോറ്റാനിക്കരയിലെ ജഗദംബികെ ദുഃഖമാറ്റുന്ന കലിയുഗ വരമംഗലേ
നാരായണ ദേവി നാരായണ ലക്ഷ്മി നാരായണ ഭദ്രേ നാരായണ അമ്മേ 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 നാരായണ ദേവി
Guru Srimati Nandini Ashok of Sri Pavitra Arts Academy with her troupe presents Mukambika of Konkan Malabar Coast. Legend says that Adi Shankara once worshipped the goddess to bring her to Kerala. When Devi answered his prayers, she agreed to come, but only on one condition, that she would follow him, and if he stops and looks back, she will stay there itself and will not continue. They started walking down from Kodashadri hills, and he could always hear her anklets, so he knew that she was with him. Suddenly, the sound stopped. Adi Shankara looked back in intense doubt. When he saw she was still with him, Adi Shankara apologized, knowing that he had broken her condition. Devi said, from now on, she will bless her devotees here in Mukambika. But he was determined to take her to Kerala. On seeing his determination, she said, in the morning she will reside in Chotanikara temple in Kerala and bless her devotees. Then she will return to Mukambika. This is why devotees in this entire coastal region have utmost devotion and love for their goddess in all her forms.
देवी विश्वजननी मूकाम्बिके देवी विश्वजननी मूकाम्बिके देवी विश्वजननी मूकाम्बिके चंद्रकांतमणि कंडकांति देवी विश्वजननी मूकाम्बिके పద సరి ని దద ద పద ద మ ప ప రి మ పద మరి ద ద రి ద ద పద సరి మ పద కుంకుమార్చన కుందు జన్మ పుణ్యం నేడి అలంకార పూజయ అర్ధకామంగళ అలంకార పూజయ అర్ధకామంగళ శ్రీ మహాపూజయ జన్మ సాఫల్యమా శ్రీ మహాపూజయ జన్మ సాఫల్యమా చండికా హోమత్త ఇహలోక మోక్షం చండికా హోమత్త ఇహలోక మోక్షం ఓం దేవి మూకాంబికే నమః ఓం దేవి మూకాంబికే నమః ఓం చండికా హోమత్త ఇహలోక మోక్షమయ స్వాదేవి విశ్వజననీ మూకాంబికే హరి దద హరి దద మద దద సౌపర్ణికాముద తీర్థത്തിൽ നീയും కళ్యాణి కమలేక్షణ వరదిని మందార చింతామణి కళ్యాణి ఘన సంస్థితం ఘనకృపాం మాయా మహావైష్ణవి కళ్యాణి భవతిం వికర్మ శమన కాంచీపురి కామద కళ్యాణి త్రిపురాం శివేన సహితం ధ్యాయామి మూకాంబికా సౌపర్ణికా తీర్థత్రియం സംസാര സാഗരത്തിൽ സാന്ത്വനം നിറച്ചും ആദിത്യചന്ദ്രന്മാരാ സേവിച്ചു വാണി മാതൃസ്വരൂപിണി മനസ്സിൽ വിളങ്ങി മാതൃസ്വരൂപിണി മനസ്സിൽ വിളങ്ങി
Sri Sharada Parameshwari. The origin of this temple is traced to a debate between Sri Shankaracharya and Bharati, an incarnation of goddess Saraswati. When Sri Shankara answered all her questions, she granted a boon that she would reside at Sringeri, seated comfortably in Padmasana with 4 hands respectively showing Chinmudra, Japamala, Pustaka and Amrita Kalasha. She is Brahma Vidya personified, revered through centuries by the succeeding Jagat Gurus and the disciples.
सरस्वत्यै नमः
O mother, with a smile on your face, you hold a baby on your lap, as if telling your devotees, I am the mother of the whole creation and you are my child. You will ever be taken care of as this baby on my lap if you stay with me. Hey Sharadamba, Hey Shringapuradishwari. The book you hold symbolizes universal, divine, eternal and true knowledge. The mala of crystals representing inner reflection and spirituality. The pot of water to purify the right from the wrong. The veena that you hold represents all creative arts and sciences. She represents the aspects with form of the Supreme Absolute, action and reality, emotions and feelings, speech and music, the primordial form of divine energy.
Saraswatyai Namaha. Om Shri Hrim Saraswatyai Namaha.
Guru Alka Lajmi of Nritya Samved presents with her students Samderi Devi of Goa. The holy land Goa was procured by Lord Parashurama from the sea god and hence reverberates with bhakti. The entire region has a number of temples dedicated to various forms of Lord Shiva, Lord Vishnu and the Mother Goddess. As the Devi Shakti, she is worshipped as Shri Shantadurga, Shri Mahalakshmi and Shri Mahalasa Devi. Shri Mahalasa Devi is said to be the incarnation of Lord Vishnu's Mohini Rupa, the form in which the Lord appeared during Amrita Manthan. Legend says that Lord Shiva was also enchanted by Mohini, who promised to marry him when she would be born on earth as Mahalsa and Lord Shiva as Martanda Bhairava. According to the tradition prevalent in the temple, Shri Santeri Devi, the goddess symbolizing Mother Earth, is worshipped first. She is the one who shines like a ray of light in the darkness of problems, and those who surrender at her feet never know any sorrow. O Mahalasa Devi, you reside in the holy hamlet of Mudageri, and we devotees may be away from you, immersed in our routine, but our mind is always yearning to be with you. Your beauty is unmatched in this universe. O Mother, be kind enough to fill my life with your blessings. The grand finale is the Tillana, dedicated to Omkara Swarupini, choreographed and performed by the senior students representing the next generation of the participating gurus.
Dheem dheem tad dheem tatirana tillana tillana tara tirana dheem dheem tad dheem tatirana tillana tillana tara tirana dheem tad dheem tatirana tillana tillana tara tirana dheem tad dheem tatirana எங்கும் நிறைந்த பிரணவ ஸ்வரூபிணி தாயே புவனேஸ்வரி பொங்கும் மங்களம் தந்திடும் தேவி கிருஷ்ணதாசன் பணிந்திடும்